Today, big news coming out. We got the trades, boys and girls. We got the trades. I'm going to show you trading the FOMC decision. The interest rates coming out. They basically came out exactly what we thought they would be, only raising 75 basis points. Was able to lock down over $3,000 in profit. I'm going to show you my entries, my exits, and all that insanity right here. Literally within a 5-minute period, making over $3,000 trading here in the futures account. And, well, you're going to see all the action. It was definitely had my heart racing. I had my heart racing at a certain point because it was pretty wild. It was pretty volatile, but I had a pretty good read on it, and I felt good about it. We entered, we exit, we made the trades, and let's get into that action.
Yeah.
So right now we're bouncing off the 66 level, looking to see what happens here. The numbers just came out. FOMC, interest rates. Do we get a pop back up here? Do we keep selling? We bounced off this area earlier, watching 66s here. I'm going to get short there, see if we can get a sell through. Get this sell down to the 53s quickly here. Look to take profit down there below 53s. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Beautiful, taking that full profit right there. Nice little $1,500 trade. Got that break below the 66s. And looking to see what happens now. Give it some time. If we keep going lower here. They came out at 3.2, so they want to raise 75 basis points. I think I'm going to get a spike back up here. Let's watch it. If we push back above this level, that 70 level, going to get long there. Watching the 70s here. I'm going to get 74 for this. I'm going to jump in long there, 72s. Look for a squeeze up. Give it a little bit of time to bounce here so we get push above the 72s. Push back up the VWAP there. There we go. Looking for 82s to push up here. Having a little bit of trouble there at 72s, but I think we're going to get it. Going to get short here. See if we'll sell down again. Looking for a bigger move below the 50s now. Need this to crack 50s. Get a move down to the 40s possible. Hey, if you guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Do me one favor, hit that like button right now, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well if you enjoy these videos. Let's get back into that live action. See if we can break through that 60 level down to the break below the 50s here. Break below 50 strong. Waiting for 50 to break. That low so far. I'm going to take one off right there at 58s. Watch the rest here. See if we can break below 50s. Take one more off right there. And put my stop at break even here to see if we can get that break through the 50s here. There we go, through the 50s now. I'm going to add 2 if we break through the 50 level. So if we break 50, 75, adding to that short there. Let's see, bouncing off the 50s again right here. If we break 50s, we break 50s here. Look to add right there. So we're adding. We're going to look to take profit as we sell down here. Beautiful. Down to the 45s, taking off. Got one contract left. Take that off right there. And it's still going lower. Down to the 40s now. I'm going to take it right there for a long. See if we get a squeeze back up above the 40s here. Just with 2 contracts. Looking to sell into this push up to the 40s again. Taking one off right there. I'll keep one there. My stop, break even. And now we got filled on a short. And we're all the way out. Watching to see what happens here now. Kind of bouncing back up to that 50 level. If we break below 40s again, looking to get short there. Below 40s. I'm going to try to short right there at the 40s. See if we can't get down to the 30s again. Taking that off there, having trouble. Looks like we're going to bounce back up here. Now watching the 48s, 50 level. Hold here at the 45s. Looking to get long over the 50s. Watching 40s for a short. I'm going to take a short right there, risking off the 48s, 50s again. And bouncing back. Can we break 40s here, 42s? Get down to the 30s. Looking for this break below 42s. Kind of holding right there. I'm going to get long. I think we're going to squeeze up here. 58s, possibly in the 60s. I'm going to move my target up higher. See if we can't push up the 60s here. Over the 54s, be trying to push to the 60s. Book map showing there's liquidity at the 60s. I think we push the 60s here. Market trying to push through the 55s. Looking for this push up to the 60s here. We go all the way to the 60s on this push up. There we go, getting filled, almost getting filled 61. I'm going to take one off right there. Beautiful, up to 60s. Take one off right there. Got one contract left. And I'm going to take it all off here. 64s, looking for 64s. I'm taking it off right there. Beautiful. Let's fucking go, boys. What a time to be alive. Woo! You can see on the book map right now, like I said, that 60 level just stayed focused, stayed in it right there. That's literally $3,000 in 9 minutes. 9 minutes of action, $3,000. You can see here on the ES right now, selling off 3-minute chart. We had that big sell off, and well, we were able to capitalize on that move there. Just kind of seeing those levels, getting those breakouts, and absolutely just beautiful. We pushed all the way to 68s there on that move up. Pretty insane move, obviously very dangerous what I was doing, but I felt pretty good kind of getting that read, seeing the book map. The book map really, I felt like, gave me an edge, kind of seeing those areas of liquidity. We saw, multiple areas of support, resistance. I thought, like, okay, if we push through this 50 level, we're going to get to the 70s, and look at it now, squeezing back up there to the 64s. So felt really good about that overall kind of plan and just kind of staying with it. Quick to really cut it off. So you saw me, I was really quick to cut it off. I wasn't, going to hold, wasn't going to be greedy. Was very quick to get in and out. And we're going to lock down $3,612 there. Basically shorting these little breakdowns and then looking to buy for the dips. We had a really good buy there at the 37s. We bounced off 32s. I was like, okay, I saw on the book map we had liquidity there, and that's where I was looking to get long. Ended up getting long and get that move up there. So that's exactly what we needed to do, and just stayed focused throughout the whole thing. I think, it could have went bad either way. It was obviously risky, dangerous, but like I said, I was quick to get in, quick to get out. I had my stop there. I wasn't going to risk, more than $1,000 on each trade, but I was looking to maximize profit, $1,000, $1,500, $200, $2,000 on a trade. So felt pretty good about it. Took some off there, and yeah, that was kind of what we're looking at now. The market pushed back up there, sold, ended that push up to the 63s, and we got all the way up to the 68s. So nice little move there. FOMC, baby. You got to love it. The action, like I said this morning, it was definitely worth not trading this morning's action, waiting for today, waiting for this afternoon, and there's exactly what we got.
Yeah.